Hello, hello friends. Yeah, today we are discuss in this video how to integrate the ServiceNow add-on. I think we know that the Splunk is very customized and we can add the multiple application within the Splunk instance and add-on we can integrate. So today we learned how to ServiceNow add-on integrate within the Splunk. These are uh, uh, the tasks we are doing here. So first in the prerequisite is we should required uh, we should require the ServiceNow add-on and we download from the Splunk base site. Let me show. I will show you and also create the account on the ServiceNow. Actually, ServiceNow give the account service for the create the instance for the learning purpose. So we create the ServiceNow instance and then we compare the ServiceNow in the Splunk and get the snow incident log in the Splunk. So if the first we download the add-on Splunk add-on for the snow. Okay, yeah. And this is the we search the developer service now. No, yeah. First we download the this. Yeah, simple. This is very simple. Search in Google Splunk add-on for service now. Then there is a Splunk website where you can get this add-on ServiceNow add-on. Now latest version for the ServiceNow in the Splunk is a 6.00. Okay, it take if you have no account on the Splunk, I think now you have the account. If you install the Splunk also, that I already discussed this thing in my first video. Login to download. Okay, I have already downloaded this add-on, Splunk add-on for service now. Here, I already download. So there is a one prerequisites. We require the this file. This is that .dgz file, and after that we require the account for the service now developer service now. If you click here, then yeah, developer you go developerservicenow.com, create the your account on service now. It is free. Give the these detail. I have already have one account for the service now. Create your account, sign up. Yeah, then yes, this is the site. I have already login in the when you go into this site, developer service now, in the left corner I am using here release Madrid. Actually, service now have the three type of the release here. So I request the instance on this Madrid release. Uh, yeah, here. Once you actually, I have already requested. It take the 3-5 minutes. Here you get the one option is the request to your instance. This is the my instance URL. Yes, if I click here, login. Because I have already set up the username password. When you first time you request for the instance, it will show the password. Uh, this is very simple step. Don't worry. If you have any problem, then you can comment me. I am sure that you have no problem on that. Okay. Yeah, okay. First we set up the Splunk add-on. I have already added there, but how to add the this add-on in service now? Click here in management and select the install app. Here choose the file that the Splunk add-on service add-on for the service now. First we you download, select this and open and click on the upload. This is a .tg jet file. Okay. So after that, it's asks for the restart. Yeah, we can directly restart from the server control. When you upload that file, after that it will be automatically asked for the restart. Then you restart your system. Yes. Let's we create the one incident. Uh, yeah, I have the one incident already there. Let me uh, get the one incident also. Test 09 June issue and then comment to uh, submit. I have created today one incident also. So here the in my in the service now I have the two incident log, two incident in the incident tables. Okay. Now I think my Splunk is also restart. Before going to inside, I will show you. I show you in backend uh, what happening in the program files. Splunk etc apps Splunk ta no TA for technical add-on service. Okay, then it is created this under the apps is create the one folder in the local directory. Oh, sorry. Let me delete this. Okay, when you actually I have already added the input. Let me show you. So these are the two file created first time password where your password is mentioned, and second file is the Splunk TS no account. Here is the your account detail, your instance. Oh, sorry. Still, I'm not configured in front end. Yeah, it is because I already. Sorry. Yeah, this is the now my service now. First, here is the three tab is there: input, configure, and search. In the configuration, the service now. Uh, Let me delete this. Okay, I think it already added. Okay, okay. If there is no account, then what happened here? Yeah, it is also deleted. There is no. Okay. So first, still what we do? First, we download the Splunk add-on for service now from the service based site. We create the one account on the service now and request for the this instance as a mandate type. Okay. Now we upload the Splunk add-on service now file. Then that is already integrated. Now we are on the configuration. No instance in the Splunk. So here in the configuration part, logging. I will show you here. At the five type of the logging you can do: info, debug, warning, error, and critical. It by default we are using info. Okay, nothing change here. Service now account to add the new account. Okay, so I give the one name. It's no test. Yeah, this is the my service now instance URL. What is the my service now instance URL? This is the my service now instance. Sorry. Yeah, I copy that and paste it here. Okay, give the admin and your password that you given in the when I open this instance. When we first time you click on this instance, it set the username and password. So that one also you should you required in the here. So I so setup add. now my account is created. Okay, let me show in backend what now in the Splunk TS no account file. Now you can see there that in the backend one stranger is created with the name of the account name, and here is the your username, instance name, password. Okay, these are the two file. When I deleted, this is the blank. First time you have created, it is there is no file in the local. It is automatically created when once you add the uh, this one account. Okay, my account name is no test or this is now input. Now we add the one input. Add the input. These are the input already here. All are in disable phase. So we are here. We logging the incident uh, in my Splunk. So go to edit. Yeah, here incident is there. Here you can add is no test. Get the new input. Actually, I have already so it is showing the date here. Yeah, collection interval is the 60 second means 1 minute. Data table hold the collection. Yeah, it is not editable. It is a because this is a by default given incident excluded property. Which column you want to the exclude? Here you give the comma separated from the like instead have the short description. This that you can get the field name in the incident table in the developer in the administrator service now instance. So you get the table structure, then you update. Here there two main thing here, system update. System update on time field on the basis of the it get the data and start date by default is a 1 year ago. So you can keep the some date like I give the date tomorrow 0 8 sorry in this format w 2020 month 06/08. Otherwise it take the 1 year data 00. Let's give the time 7:00. Okay, fine. In this format, the ID field. This is a field which uniquely identify each row in the table. Uh, a service now have the one unique column, so you should mention the filter parameter. You can give the some you want to some particular incident like on the basis of the uh, like in the service now is asset type uh, in the but the asset and priority basis ticket, you can give the filter criteria. By default is taking main index, so it is fine. Now update. It's not as in June. Now we enable this. This is now enable. Okay. Let's see in the what happened in the backend. Yeah. It's not as I deployed my SysID, index my main, my time is 8 June, time fields is updated on disable as a 0 value. Okay. Let's see in the search index is equal to main. Yes. Here, if we go here, I have the two ticket, right? But I give the tomorrow date, but this ticket is created on the 7, so it is getting the this data only. Okay, this let me show you. Here you can see the source type. What is the this is the service now instance name. Source type is no incident. Host, this is the my system. Okay, and also where is the incident and number, is the one column is there. Incident test 9 June issue. Okay, this is the my source description and number. This is the my incident 102, that is today we created. This is 102. Let me create the one new incident. Check further. Second issue on 9 June. Okay, comment this column we already excluded, right? Okay, fine. Submit. Now I have created two ticket. Let's wait for the 1 minute. It it should be come here. Wait for some time. It come the three ticket, right? Where is the number? This is the number. Yeah, 0203. Okay. The another incident is come. That's it. Hope you enjoyed this session. It is more practically, and you can get the data from the incident log from the service now. So let me summarize one time also. So first time we download the ServiceNow add-on from the Splunk base site. After that, we get the one account in the ServiceNow and request for the new instance. That is required the instance when we uh, configure in the ServiceNow. After configure, give the only URL, instance name, and username password in the Splunk, and then after that we get the incident log. Total number of ticket you are created in the service now, that is automatically come to the my Splunk. In backend, when we in backend first time when we configure one account in the Splunk, these two file is created, and when we add the one input, you can add the multiple input. So one my input configure file is created. Okay, uh, ID field and this the time field is most important. Okay, thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed this session. If you have any suggestion and question, please comment in the comment box. Thank you. Bye bye.